In this video, we are going to see how we can view our private servers on Roblox. So if you want to find out what servers you are operating as a private server on Roblox for PC, here's how you can easily do it. And the procedure is pretty much the same for mobile as well. So let's head over to the roblox.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you do, on the left hand side, you can see this inventory option. So we want to click on that. And from here, you will see accessories and all of these things. But once you scroll down, you will see this private server option here. And from here, you can either access other private servers that you have joined or my private servers. So we will go to my private servers. These are the servers that we are operating. And we scroll up until we see these private servers. So once you click on that, it will show you the game that you uploaded or attached to that private server. But once you want to see the actual private server, you need to scroll down again, and here it is. This is the private servers. Right now it's inactive, so if you want to make it active, you just hit the edit sign and you can allow joining from here, or you can kick out or add some members from here. You can share the link and so on, whatever you want to do with it. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.